Welcome to El Nido, a place where clear turquoise waters, towering limestone cliffs, and soft white sand come together to create some of the best beaches in the Philippines. On this trip, we visited some of the best beaches in El Nido, each with its own vibe. Whether it's sipping fresh coconut by the sea, catching a golden sunset, or swimming in a crystal clear water, El Nido has a beach for every kind of day. We spent our day beach hopping, trying local food, and soaking in relaxed island bays that makes El Nido so special. Every beach we visited reminded us why people keep coming back here. Let us know if you visited El Nido and which beach was your favorite. So in this video, we will take you to the top beaches you shouldn't miss when you visit El Nido. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey. Our first stop is El Nido Beach. We took a ferry from Coron to El Nido, and this is the beach you get off at when you arrive. The first thing we notice is how spectacular the beach is. There's a huge mountain in the background that makes it instantly picturesque, and the shoreline is lined with boats docked in a row ready for island hopping. Along the beach, you'll find pubs and restaurants lined up, giving it a lively local vibe. It's a perfect welcome to El Nido.
We have finally reached El Nido, and we took a 5 hours long ferry from Coron to El Nido, and to be frank, it was not at all a good experience.
It was so suffocating and very unpleasant and uneasy experience from our journey, what we could feel, and definitely wouldn't
Yeah, the
recommend
AC
it.
was not at all working. They literally had the fans running inside the cabins, and literally everyone was sweating inside the cabin, and I was just waiting to reach El Nido and to get some fresh air. So we don't know if there are any alternative options if we want to come from Coron to El Nido. We'll surely let you know, guys, if in case we get any information about that. So once we reached El Nido, we checked into our hotel, had a lunch at one of the Indian places.
What's it called? Biryani kitchen?
Biryani kitchen. Yeah, it was
Biryani.
just I think 200-300 meters. From
170 meters
Yeah.
from our hotel to be precise,
Yeah.
and we had our lunch there, rested up for an hour, freshened up, and then now we are here at El Nido Beach, just enjoying the view of this magnificent mountain right in front of us, and just chilling here.
Yeah, so this is something I was looking forward to from the days where we were planning the El Nido trip. The mountain looks so beautiful with sea in the foreground, and sun is setting. It's the golden hour, and it looks so beautiful.
It is beautiful.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for tomorrow's sunrise just to see how it's going to look like. And also, if in case you're planning to visit El Nido, there are different tour options, just like Coron. They have tour A, B, C, and D. There are 4 different tour options. We are still confused at the moment. We haven't yet finalized. Hopefully today we will be able to come to a conclusion, which tour which we are planning to take. So stay tuned for tomorrow. We will definitely let you know, guys, which tour we are going for. So we are just gonna sit here and enjoy and head to some dinner place in the evening. Just continue watching this video, and hopefully you'll find it interesting. We have just reached the Lio Beach. This is one of the popular attractions here in El Nido, and it's also usually part of the El Nido land tour. We are just going to head to the beach now, and from the photos what we have seen, it looks amazing, and also the airport is very close to it, so maybe we'll be able to see some flights landing. Let's go.
this is one of my favorite beaches in El Nido because I can see the flights landing, I can see the helicopters landing, I can see this long jetty, such a nice place to take a good photo and a video. And towards the end of this beach you can see coconut trees, such a good tropical vibe to this particular beach. The beach is not too crowded, it's clean, the water is clean and so nice, and such beautiful vibe to this area. And especially the entrance towards the beach is more like a resort sort of entrance, and we loved riding the two-wheeler over here. It's so nice and amazing. The weather is just perfect, and you have a lot of restaurants around as well. So nice place to visit. If I have to come to El Nido again, I would definitely come to Lio Beach again and again and again, because the beach is just fantastic.
You just saw an helicopter landing, and this is also one of the reasons you cannot fly a drone in this particular place, because there's an airport next to it. So refrain from flying drone, especially in Lio Beach.
Our next stop was Nacpan Beach. It's about a 45 minutes drive from El Nido town, but it's worth every minute of the ride. When we arrived, we were greeted by a long stretch of soft, golden sand and gentle waves rolling in. The best part, the beach wasn't crowded at all, and it almost felt like we had the entire place to ourselves. There are a few local cafes where you can grab a fresh coconut and enjoy the view, making it a perfect spot to relax and spend a quiet day by the sea.
We have just reached Nacpan Beach. It is just 25 to 30 minutes ride from the Lio Beach, and the ride was really good. It wasn't hard. On the way to the Nacpan Beach, I noticed a shop which was selling the bucos, which is nothing but tender coconuts, for just 35 pesos. Earlier in the Lio Beach, we paid 120 pesos, which means I could have bought nearly 4 bucos. I'm gonna definitely try the 35 peso buco on the way back. Coming to the Nacpan Beach, looks stunning. Not many people around at this moment, but yeah, I still think the Lio Beach looks good compared to the Nacpan Beach. But yeah, this place itself has its own charm. There are so many different mountains all around. Yeah, you can even take hammock for rent. You can get a massage. There are so many restaurants around. We're gonna fly the drone in few minutes, and I hope it's gonna look good.
We have rented these beach chairs for both of us for 500 pesos. We flew drone a couple of minutes back, and it's so lush green from the top. It's so green, so many trees, so many coconut trees. The water is blue. It's just beautiful from the top. This beach stretches for 4 kilometers, so long. Yeah, beautiful beach.
have come to the 35 pesos buko place, and it's the cheapest buko I have found so far in the Philippines. Just 10 minutes ride from the Nacpan Beach, where it costs 140 pesos. Here it is just 35 pesos. That's 35 pesos buko. And look at here what we have found, the bamboo straw. Thank you. Wow, it's as fresh as it can get. I like this bamboo straw as well. How many you want to have, Amrita?
Just one.
Just one? Just 35 pesos. That's like $1, one Australian dollar.
Our next stop was Las Cabañas Beach, and it's about a 15 minutes drive from El Nido Town. This beach had such a good vibe. With the beach bars along the shore, people hanging out for sunset, and a relaxed atmosphere, it was a perfect place to end the day. As the sun went down, the sky turned into shades of orange, pink, and purple, making it a sunset we won't forget. We grabbed a spot on the sand, watched the colors change, and just enjoyed the moment. And honestly, this beach is worth a visit if you're in El Nido. If you're planning a trip, check out our travel guide. It's packed with all the details and even a sample itinerary to help you out. Just scan the QR code on the screen or hit the link in the description below. You can also find the link in the description box or scan the QR code to access the maps. It includes all the places we have visited, making it super easy for you to explore them too.
We are here at Las Cabañas Beach, or it's also called as Vanilla Beach, for the sunset. Man, that was an amazing sunset, and the views are spectacular from this beach. I can see so many mountains, and the shades are like from pink to orange, and that was the best sunset I've seen. And yeah, this particular beach is so happening. There's so many bars and restaurants out there. People are enjoying, people are swimming, and there's a zip line connecting from this island to the other, and this is spectacular place to come for a sunset. And yeah, we are ending our day out here, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel if you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.